That Vice President Sara Duterte's larger scheme.
Because that's really my opinion. This is not important. This does not make any difference to even one single Filipino life. So why waste time on this? What will happen to if somebody files an impeachment? It will tie down the House, it will tie down the Senate, it will just take up all the time, and for what? For nothing. For nothing. None of this will help improve a single Filipino life. As far as I'm concerned, it's a storm in a teacup.
Iginit ni PBBM na hindi deserve ni Vice President Sara Duterte ang ma-impeach. Tiniyak naman ni Pangulo Marcos na pagtutuunan niya ng pansin ang naturang issue.
Binabantayan namin ng mabuti because we don't want her to be impeached. We don't want her to... She does not deserve to be impeached. So we will make sure that this is something that we will pay very close attention to.
Idinagdag ng Pangulo na ang mga panawagan ng impeachment laban sa matataas na opisyal ay hindi na bago.
The declarations of impeachment, parang lahat naman ng presidente ini-impeach. Ngayon, Vice President pa. So I guess it's just a continuing evolution of that thinking na basta ayaw namin dyan, tanggalin natin, impeach natin. Wala naman siguro at wala naman sigurong dahilan kung hindi lang ayaw sa amin. That's not a reason to be impeached.